Hello everybody and welcome back to FX Tweet. My name is Akash and today we're going to be taking a look at Shiba Inu, and see how the price kind of fared as opposed to Cardano, because both the coins were in a pretty much similar condition, but Cardano seems to have done pretty well compared to Shiba Inu. Right, so before I actually get into the nitty-gritty of what's happening with Shiba Inu, please make sure to head on over to our YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to stay updated to the hottest trends in the crypto market and the stuff that's happening on our YouTube channel where we post content every single day, please make sure to hit the bell icon as well, right? Alternatively, you can also give us a follow on Twitter at FXSCrypto, and if you enjoy the content that I put out both on my YouTube and on my Twitter channel, please make sure to give me a follow as well at Mangeko with the 0 at the end, right? So coming back to Shiba, right? If you look at Cardano, right? Cardano was also pretty much in the same boat as Shiba Inu because it was producing lower lows and kind of some sort of an equal low around the range low. Right now for Shiba Inu, it was pretty much the same. Like Cardano, Shiba Inu also broke below its range low and kind of dug deeper, right? You can see something similar happened with Cardano as well, as it not just broke the swing low but also the immediate support level. Right, so since then, like I've marked here on the 1 hour time frame, I expected the Cardano price to kind of form some sort of a base after breaking down this point, 106 support level, and if we get a recovery above the range low at 114, I was expecting the price to move all the way up to 146. But I also kind of presented a possibility where the uptrend could be could pause around the 50 retracement level here at 128. But unlike Cardano, right, like there's not a lot of liquidity or volatility for Shiba Inu, so the uptrend isn't as great as it was for Cardano, right? So that said, I continue to, I don't know if actually meme coins, when they rally quite a bit, but when they don't, it's pretty boring. So with that in mind, I think it's always better to have a little bit of exposure to these altcoins. At least that's what I'm doing. I always have a little bit of exposure to like the ongoing shitcoin, right? For in 2021 it was basically Shiba Inu, and in the previous rallies it was Shiba Inu. But also in 2021 a lot of shitcoins emerged, and there was a phase where any shitcoin that was launched basically rallied exponentially, right? So keeping up with the narrative, I think having the coin of that particular narrative would make a lot more sense regardless, right? Even though 2021 was basically the age of Shiba Inu, Dogecoin seemed to perform pretty well, at least at the start. But at the end, I think Shiba Inu obviously overtook the performance, and it was basically in the limelight, right? So I think it's regardless of what the narrative, I think you should, at least in my opinion, which is not financial advice, have a little bit of exposure to Shiba or shitcoins, meme coins, right? So yeah, that is my take. As for the technical side of things, the upside is still pretty much the same, capped at the 50 retracement level here at 128, and if we are lucky we could probably get a move up to 143, right? But that said, since I'm expecting a retracement for Bitcoin and as a result a lot of the altcoins, there is an FEG here for Shiba Inu which extends from 107 to 111. So a move into this level, hopefully retesting the lower limit, would be a good place to accumulate Shiba. And from there things are pretty straightforward. You either book profits around the 50 retracement level, which is the 19% upswing, or you wait for the price to head up to the range high, which is a 33% upswing. So yeah, you don't want to see price produce a daily close below 106. That would threaten the downswing, but as long as we have a good and a quick recovery like we did here on 27th of May, I think things should be pretty normal, right? But also, right, from a line chart perspective, there is a possibility of a potential, what color do I use? Let's use orange. There is the possibility of a potential triple tap setup, which is a low forms, deviation below the low, and then we have another low followed by a massive move up to critical levels. In this case, it would be the high over here at 161. So let me just bold this as well, make this green. Cool, in which case you are looking at a 50% upswing for Shiba Inu. Either way, I think it's better to keep Shiba Inu in the back of your mind, not lose track. Check it every now and then. And yeah, that's pretty much it for Shiba's analysis. If you enjoyed this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.